Nick, where are we?
Hoover Dam. Somebody's getting yelled at back there.
I know. We have seen in 2 days the Grand Canyon, the meteor crater, and the Hoover Dam.
And Flagstaff.
And Flagstaff, but that's mostly with our eyes shut. For 2 days straight we wanted to throw up.
It's been awesome.
This is why. It's not as effective as across the way. The other one just didn't do it justice. I have to show you the real reason why you want to throw up at the Hoover Dam. Ugh. That's what it's like on the Grand Canyon too, except for you're standing right on the edge and there's no railing and you're just gonna like go over. If the wind blows too hard, which it was like 40 miles an hour. It's awesome, but a lot of fun. Okay, that's it. Bye.